Today, I am in a beautiful subdivision in Mishawaka called The Forest. It is so close to all the shopping, hospitals, about 2-3 minutes from Notre Dame. All of the best restaurants are in town right here on the north side. This is just a fantastic area to be in. This is also in the Penn Harris-Madison School District, which is award-winning. You cannot find a much better location than The Forest subdivision. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath behind me. Above, we see where that window is. You can finish that and make that into a 3rd bedroom there. That's about 250 square feet up there. This is listed at $379,000. It should go fast because this subdivision is extremely desirable. So we're going to take a look inside right now. It's very updated. It's built in 2015. It's got a beautiful kitchen, a gorgeous backyard that faces the forest in the back. You got a patio back there, and then you've got just a great vaulted ceiling entrance there. So let's go take a look inside. So as you walk in, you've got this gorgeous fireplace, this huge area above the fireplace to put a huge picture like they have there. Look at the vaulted ceilings as you look around. This cool ceiling fan, stainless steel up there. This is a huge living room area. I mean, look at it. It also faces out here to the back patio area, which we'll show you in a minute. It's got the gorgeous backyard composite decking, and then off to the right is the master bedroom there. And then here to the left is your dining area. All right, so as I walk out of the entrance area and from the living room there, I immediately come into this huge kitchen. The blonde flooring, the blonde hardwood flooring goes throughout this, and then where the camera's sitting is actually a small kitchenette, not even small, a large kitchenette area there where you can have your eat-in breakfast area and that. But look at this kitchen. It's got stainless steel appliances, stainless steel island. You've got the great quality hardwood cabinets, Corian countertop, electric stove top right here with the vent hood. Oven below here, stainless steel GE appliances, and you've got the microwave right above it. This is a super wide microwave. This is great. You got your dishwasher, plenty of lighting. There's the huge windows right there. You've got 3-panel windows right behind us. This is just a gorgeous kitchen that also opens up into the attached dining area, which we're going to go check out right now. That is convenient. You can walk right out of the kitchen into the dining room to help serve your Thanksgiving or Christmas meals, whatever you're going to have. You feel like you're included with everybody who's in the kitchen. And then right behind us here where the camera is, you've got the living room area, so everybody feels super included in this area. Again, you've got the vaulted ceilings that go up here in the dining room area. Tons of room. This table could go easily 10 deep here, all the way out to here if you wanted. And you have a room in the back there for a hutch as well. Plus 2 bright windows there that open up into the forest in the back. It's beautiful. You've got birds out there you can sit and watch and all that. So let's continue on to the master bedroom. So I've just walked into the master bedroom. You've got plenty of room here. Plenty of room here. I think it's about 14 feet by 13. So it's large. You've got enough room here for a king size bed, obviously, real easy. 2 end tables next to you. Over here, you can put your dresser. You've got 2 windows that open up into the wooded area behind you right there. And then right off of here is the gorgeous ensuite, which we're going to take a look at now. So I grab the camera here and I'm going to walk into the ensuite here. Look at this gorgeous, I think it's a 14 by 14 tile on the flooring there. That walks into a huge master closet, which is full of clothes right now, so I'm not going to show you that. This is a linen closet that still has toweling and stuff. You've got your toilet area, which is separate. You can close this door if you want. Gorgeous shower. Look at that tile work all the way through it. You've got a bench here on the side if you want in the corner. And then a great vanity area with a makeup mirror, granite countertops, cool lighting on the mirror. This is great. Hey, well, I'm right here. If you want to see any houses in Mishawaka, Granger, Elkhart, South Bend areas, give me a call or a text. I'm here to help you. Right here is my cell phone number, so reach out to me anytime. Let's go on to the other bedroom, and then I'm going to show you the unfinished area up above the garage. So now I'm coming out of the living room area, circling back around to the front of the house here. Right where the camera's sitting is the master bedroom, but the second bedroom. I want to show you right here is a handy first floor, main floor laundry area. You got your washer and dryer there. Right here to my left, you've got the guest full bath there. It's got granite countertops, full shower tub, beautiful. I think they're like 16-inch tiles, the narrow long tiles. Gorgeous room. Now let's look at the bedroom and then we'll go upstairs. A real quick perspective. Right here is the garage entrance to a 2-stall garage. You got your washer dryer right there. This goes up to the unfinished attic area, but it's really not an attic. It's just a extra bedroom area that could be finished above the garage. So it's a cool, very finished stairwell right up to the top. And then right here is the second bedroom. This is a king size bed, so you got plenty of room. You've got the double closets there. Nice window. So let's head up to the upstairs. All right, so I really like, they didn't finish when they built it, they didn't finish the bedroom up here. They finished the stairwell all the way up to it. When you walk up here, you get this huge area. And you could leave it just for storage if you want. This is actually about 22 feet by 14 feet wide. So it's about roughly 250 square feet. The window that looks over the driveway there. I've seen a lot of these same floor plans that have closets on each side right there. So that's nice. Plenty of closet space if you want. So I just walked back to this beautiful backyard. Now this is an HOA, so they do the lawn mowing for you. They do the leaf pickup. They do the gutter cleaning. They paint the cedar siding if you need it. They do the snow removal, mow everything. They do everything for you. All you have to do is live here and enjoy it. Look at this. You got a bird feeder back here. I'm sure there are deer running in here, raccoons. You all have all kinds of wildlife here as you sit here on the composite deck. Has a wrought iron railing, which the gate over here actually has a key to it. So if you had toddlers or your dog or something and you wanted to lock that gate, you can easily do it. Right here, they've got some wrought iron furniture there, but this is a beautiful home in a beautiful location. So if you want to see anything, let me know. I'm here to help you. We'll see you on the next video.